Managing deliveries across multiple stops can quickly become overwhelming. And seeing all deliveries from every location in one dashboard makes it difficult to stay organized. With Metrobi's single store delivery view, you can manage multiple locations effortlessly. Filter deliveries by store and use a tailored dashboard to keep things organized. Hi, my name is João, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how the single store delivery view helps you streamline your delivery management. Let's discover how it works. Well, let's take a look at this feature and see how it actually works on the dashboard. So I have created two deliveries for us, two different stores. I have one store in Boston and the other one is in New York, but I only want to see the deliveries for one of them, for example. So you can simply click all pickup locations and select, for example, this store right here. And now I can only see one of the deliveries. And if I want to change this, I can simply uncheck this box and check another box. Each one of these boxes are one of my stores, and it's easy as that to organize your deliveries per store. So different managers can use the same dashboard without any interference between them. They are going to only be able to see their deliveries. Simplify your multi-store delivery management with Metrobi. Click the button below to create your account and enjoy a more organized dashboard today.